Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Friends, in this video today we are going to discuss about the topic that what is a multiple myeloma. In this video we will cover the several below topics that what exactly is a multiple myeloma, how does it create an effect on our body, what is the major cause of the multiple myeloma, and what are the symptoms and what is its treatment. In this video I have described the topic with the help of video, moreover with the help of notes. So that you would be able to understand this video, please watch this video till the end, then only you will be able to understand it. Okay friends, so without delaying anymore, let's move further. But before that, if you have not subscribed my channel, please click on the subscribe button, press on the bell icon, like and share as well. So it will also motivate me friends. Okay, so now let's move to the further topic, that is what is a multiple myeloma. So I have described, I have basically created this video. In this video I have inserted one video for your better understanding with the help of notes as well. So friends, let's see what is mentioned there. Multiple myeloma is a type of the cancer that affects the specific blood cells inside the bone. As we know very well, in our bone marrow, specific blood cells are present whose function is to basically, basically to develop the healthy blood cells. So multiple myeloma is a type of cancer that affects only the blood cells which are present inside the bone. So I hope it is clear that it is a type of cancer which affects our specific body cells in the bone. Let's see, look at this video, this man. Here it is showing that how it creates effect on our bone. So this is a thigh bone. Here the multiple myeloma has created effect on the specific blood cells which are present in our bone. Let's see further. Okay, now here it is mentioned what are the healthy stem cells. So healthy stem cells are present inside our bone marrow. Function is to produce the different type of blood cells. So this is a picture of the stem cells which is present inside our bone marrow, produce the different type of blood cells. Now look at the functions of the different type of blood cells. So these blood cells will help to carry the oxygen, allow blood to clot, which helps stop the bleeding. When there is a cut occur on our body, a lot of bleeding happens. So these blood cells allow blood to clot, which helps to stop the bleeding. And the third function is that it helps to fight the infection. So here three major functions of blood cells mentioned. First is to carry the oxygen, third to clot the blood, and second is the blood clotting, and third is the fight infection. Now let's move further. Here it is mentioned only the function of the blood cells. Now here it is mentioned multiple myeloma affect the cells that normally help to fight the infection called the plasma cell. So function of the plasma cell is to fight the infection, and multiple myeloma only affect the plasma cells. So basically normally it affects the plasma cell, and the function of plasma cell is to fight the infection. Now let's move further. So here it is mentioned when these become the cancerous, they are called the myeloma cells. So when the multiple myeloma affect on the plasma cell, it becomes the cancerous, and once it becomes the cancerous, it is called as the myeloma cells. Now let's see further. So as per the video, next it is mentioned that what happens generally once the one plasma cell become the cancerous, so these start multiply. So another cell also become the cancerous. In this way it create a group, or it starts multiplying, and once it gets start multiplying, so it collect in the bone marrow. So basically it is mentioned that how the myeloma cells create a bad effect on our body. First, one cell become the cancer, then piece by piece it creates its own colony and it starts multiplying and collecting in the bone marrow. Now let's see what is mentioned further. So here it is mentioned that what exactly then what myeloma cells do. So myeloma cells produce the unwanted substances such as the paraprotein, and these unwanted substances create the damage impact, or basically it damages our other body organ. So it produces the unwanted substances known as a paraprotein which damages the other organ. In this video, look how it is creating the effect. So friends, next it is mentioned that in addition, the accumulation of the myeloma cells in the bone can stop the healthy blood cells being made. As we know very well, our healthy blood cells are made in our bone marrow only. So once the cancer cells, the accumulation of the myeloma cells starts producing in our, starts basically creates a colony in our bone, then generally it stops the healthy blood cells being made as well. So in this way our healthy body cells becoming stopped just because of the accumulation of myeloma cells. Now it is mentioned once the healthy blood cells are being stopped, so what the bad impact it will create? It will weaken our bone. Our bone gets start weak and it causes the pain. So once the weaken the bone, so it starts paining. So it causes the pain. So next, we discuss about the symptom. We are discussing about the symptoms. So next symptom is the bone fracture. Once our bone starts weaken, so there are chances that the bone fracture can also happen. Now let's see the next symptom. That is basically anemia. Anemia means once the body starts getting loose of the basically the deficiency of the blood is known as the anemia. Next symptom is the kidney damage. This is a major symptom of the multiple myeloma, that is the kidney damage. There are chances that our kidney damages can occur. So next, so basically these are the common symptoms. Friends, here it is mentioned that multiple myeloma can often be treated, although it cannot currently be cured. There are chances that that it can often be treated, but still, in currently it cannot be cured. So once you have any kind of information or any kind of doubt related to the treatment, so you should discuss with the doctor. Any kind of questions if you have regarding the treatment, so you should first discuss with the doctor. So friends, moreover, if you have any kind of question or more information on multiple myeloma, if you want any information on multiple myeloma, you can also visit on this site, that is a www.myelomapatientgroup.org. Moreover friends, I am just going to finish this topic on this slide only. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you have any kind of query, you just please comment box, then I will resolve your query. Thank you so